Hi, it's Eric with Florida Structural Group. I'm a project manager, and today we're at Pointe South Condominiums. This area was greatly affected by Hurricane Ian. The flood level here was about 14 feet or so. So that caused the lanais to break away in this particular building. And we are pouring the elevated slab lanais for the building. There are 7 missing slabs from the storm, and they're all formed up, and we're pouring concrete today. And we'll have more updates coming from Fort Myers Beach here pretty soon. Thank you.